What's up, everyone? So, quick little thing. I just got these in the mail and I thought they were really cool and I thought everybody would like, I don't know, be interested in it. I got these like headlight lids, I guess, covers, and like the actual like mesh grill that covers it. Super easy thing to do. I did one side already just to see what it will look like. And I don't know, I really dig the way it looks. I mean, it's a little tacky, but super easy to do. And again, if you don't like it, it's super easy to take off. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to put it on. Super easy, and if anybody's interested, I'll leave the links down below. Yeah. So I think the process is the same. If you have like a 510, a 521, it's just a couple screws that hold on like the I guess you'd call it like the cover grill, headlight grill. I don't know what you would call this, but I mean, there's 3 Phillips screws, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. This kind of just comes off. And for the lights, there's 2 sets of screws. One that holds the actual like headlight to the shroud, I guess what you would call it, and the other one that holds like the whole bucket to the shroud. You just want to undo. I'll do a close up right now of which ones you want to undo. You don't want to come out all the way, and you just rotate this. Ring. And the whole thing comes out. So you don't want to take the screws all the way out, but you just want to do it enough to where it clears the other screws. And once you do it, it all pops out. So I mean, like, this is what is sandwiching. It's gonna sandwich the grill or the so like on the outsides I'm doing the eyelids, so I'll show you guys real quick. This is what it looks like, and as you can see there's like a lip to it, and that sits inside of the ring and is sandwiched between the headlight and this. So I mean, all that's holding it in place is really just like a clamp, if you think of it like. So I mean, it's pretty straightforward. And I mean, again, if I like the way it looks. If you don't, I mean, you can try it, take it off. I mean, they're not that expensive. I think these guys were like 20 bucks, and I think the grills were like 20 bucks. Yeah, I mean, you can do one per side, both sides, or all 4. So I mean, it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and put this on and show you guys what it looks like after I'm finished. Okay, and that's pretty much what it looks like when it's done. On this other light, you can see there's, like I was saying, there's 2 screws usually on, like, around the light. This one here holds pretty much like everything to the shroud, and there's 3 of these guys where like there's Phillips head and like a larger hole on the side. Let's see if the focus is. There we go. Yeah, so there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And if you look carefully, all you gotta do is just twist it, and then it kind of like falls out all the way around. So for those, you want to take them all the way out, and the ring separates from the actual lens, and then you just sandwich the other piece in between. I'm kind of pushing a little bit because I'm doing the grill and the lid on one, so it's pretty tight. But I mean, I got it on that side, and it looks cool to me. So yeah. So let me go ahead and put this one on, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like once everything's bolted back up. Okay, so maybe I lied. As I was tightening it down, the weld that holds like the ring together like popped. So maybe there was like a limit to how much you do it, or maybe the ring's just really old. I mean, considering it's a 72. Either or, I'm gonna go ahead and order another ring, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as is. I mean, it still looks cool. So I have like the grill mesh on one side and like the eyelid on the other, and then that's what I have them both. So I mean, up to you guys. I dig the way it looks. Up to you. And since this one isn't really tightening down, I can still kind of, never mind, it is actually pretty on there. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think. If you have any questions, comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.